Hello everyone, welcome to this SPSS tutorial. In this video we will learn the basics of IBM SPSS Statistics, a software called statistical package for the social sciences, which is widely used for statistical analysis in fields such as psychology, research, business, and social sciences. When we open SPSS, we see the Data Editor window, which looks similar to a spreadsheet like Excel and is used to organize and analyze datasets. The SPSS Data Editor has two important views: Data View and Variable View. In Data View, each row represents a case or participant, and each column represents a variable, such as age, gender, or test score. For example, each row might represent a student or survey respondent, while the columns contain their information. The second view is Variable View, which is used to define and describe variables before entering data. In Variable View, each row represents a variable and each column shows its properties, such as name, which is the variable name like age, gender, or score. Type, which defines whether the data is numeric or text. Label, which gives a longer description of the variable. Values, which is used for categorical variables such as gender, where may first represent male and may second represent female. Missing, which indicates missing data values, and measure, which defines the level of measurement such as nominal for categories, ordinal for ranked data, or scale for continuous numerical data. For example, we might define three variables: age as numeric with scale measurement, gender as numeric with values 1 for male and 2 for female with nominal measurement, and exam score as numeric with scale measurement. After defining the variables in Variable View, we move back to Data View to enter the actual dataset. Here, each row represents one participant and each column contains the values for the variables. For example, participant 1 might have age 18, gender 1, and score 65, while participant 2 might have age 19, gender 2, and score 70. This process allows us to organize our dataset properly before performing statistical analysis. In summary, in this tutorial we learned what SPSS is, explored the Data Editor interface, understood the difference between Data View and Variable View, learned how to define variables, and saw how to enter data in SPSS. These are the essential first steps for preparing data before conducting statistical analysis in SPSS.